come grab this old thing. Been a minute. I'm gonna turn the turn around. Still got no box ship over here. Let's get this shot. I'm probably have to turn the truck out. I don't wanna, unless you wanna go into the. But far as in.
So it felt normal.
Yeah, it kind of felt normal, but it just depends what you mean, like far as in.
I guess I just let you have to.
Tomorrow when I actually drive it.
Yeah, I let you driving it.
But you know, Clint car was kind of like that. Like whenever he left, his car still like that, almost like it's not getting enough fuel.
Yeah.
And it's. I know when he unplugged his mirror airflow sensor, it'll run smooth. But when you plug it up, it'll hesitate real hard. And I had that, but what I did, I had trash getting into my fuel injector. That's why I put that fuel filter on.
Okay, I see.
And it kept getting.
And I kind of was wondering. To me, it was almost acting like a fuel pump.
Yeah, now it did that when I brought it over here. It's like when I brought it over here, it's like it barely, like I almost want to cut off a little bit.
Yeah.
Like it could be.
I'll let you grab it.
Yeah, that sounds like a fuel pump. That thing sounds good. Oh yeah. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah, that noise went away, you said?
Oh yeah.
You said that was a push rod?
Yeah.
Dang.
I put some that was a little bit longer and
I sure don't hear it. The longest song.
Yeah.
That's crazy because when you hit on, I took it to the transmission shop thinking that it was my flywheel, the one that changed the start at the time. Somebody's.
They do got like, they do make some money.
Okay. Yeah, that. I don't know what that is.
I was almost thinking it was the
Exhaust. Gas, exhaust gas. Ain't loud like it was though. I promise you that it's not. When I heard it, it was like loud, like.
Yeah, when I first talked it up, it was like.
Yeah, when you sent it to me, that sound what I meant.
Yeah, it definitely. Yeah, once I put them longer push rods and all that.
Oh yeah, she sound good now. Yeah, she chopping them. But it could be the fuel pump though. It could, maybe it's not pushing out enough.
Yeah, that's definitely what it seems like.
And you said when you go down the road, act like you don't want to.
Yeah, it'll drive, but if you try to get off in it, it feels like it's hard to gas.
Like it needs some more gas, yeah. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take them fuel injectors back out.
Okay.
And
Try to clean it.
yeah, try to clean them again, and then
I mean, it's showing more on the driver's side. If it is a problem, I feel like it's gonna be on the driver's side fuel injector.
Okay. All right, yeah, I definitely do that. But you said I still need tuning though, because of that noise. That what you were talking about?
Well, that may be why I couldn't tune it right.
Gotcha.
Because I was tuning on, but it just wouldn't get right. And
gotcha.
and if it's a mechanical problem, like an injector not doing like it's supposed to do, fuel pump not putting out, then it's not going to tune right.
Gotcha.
So that's the only reason I suggested that.
Okay.
Maybe for a second I was thinking like maybe I ain't doing something right, because I don't really tune these older motors like that.
Gotcha.
I'm used to the newer stuff. Let's say that's big.
Gotcha.
Your Tahoe.
Tahoe.
You know, G8
This is a what? 90,
The computer is a 99.
99.
Yep.
Okay. 99 Tahoe.
Yeah, I think it was Tahoe.
Or Silverado. I think it was Silverado.
Yeah, it was one of them. I forgot
Okay.
what it said. Whenever I pulled the tune, it said it.
Okay. Other than that, man, it sounds good. I'm gonna get on and who's it this one is?
It blown. He from right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he from right.
What's up, bro?
You know that?
Yeah.
You know
Play
him
ball
from-
for him. I've been playing football. I used to play football with Ace. You know Ace? Little buddy. Damn. Oh, wee. God.
I didn't know that was you, man.
Yeah, man, that's me. God, dog. What's this here?
That's a 6.0.
6-0? You and I, bro?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
You
yeah.
still Pepsi?
Yep.
Got the 6-speed automatic transmission in this.
God, damn, I know them mother roll.
Like the one that come out the Camaro SS. One.
Yeah. I know this thing fly.
Oh yeah, he get on down.
God.
He waiting to be tuned too.
I mean, it's driving.
He got the drivability tune, but we gonna put it on the 90.
Oh, okay.
Make horsepower loud.
Gotcha.
You can hear his fuel pump.
God dang. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a monster right here. God, dog. AC work too? I need to, you not do all that? I got it. So, yeah. Hey. That thing's on.
It's coming on.
Yeah. They got the AC. Animal sound good. Yeah, that thing sounds good. God dang, man. That mug got some. That bitch got some power in there.
You would think that's under there.
Hey, no.
Looking
I
at
thought a little 305, 350 or something under here. God, dog. Man, I'm gonna try to, my transmission, that's gonna be next, man. I'm gonna try to, I don't know if I need a shift kit. I'm going 28s on here. So I don't know if I want shift kit.
Was it rims on it already?
Yup.
Okay. I was looking at the tune and it looked, you could change the tire size in the tune.
Really?
And it kind of,
Yeah.
And it kind of have an effect on, it had a lot bigger tire than what you really got on the car.
Yeah.
And so I was like, maybe he had wheels on it.
Yeah,
So
I
I didn't mess with it.
Okay.
It may be already tuned for your bigger wheels.
Okay, yeah, because I had 28s on it.
Okay.
But I got 373 gears in here. And I ain't know.
It's 373. In the tune they got in there, they got 342. So that needs to be changed.
Be changed, okay. But you said, okay, definitely that.
But that'll have an effect on it too.
Right.
So the computer will be thinking that it's going faster or slower than what it really is.
Right.
And it'll be making the engine and transmission do stuff at the wrong time.
Gotcha.
And it don't even be at the right speed to be doing it.
Okay. But other than that, man, I'm gonna get them. I appreciate your work and time, man. You did a good job, man, and
Oh, yeah.
satisfied, man. What I was gonna say? Oh, gas. What kind of gas you recommend? Just 87 still fine, or if you recommend?
If you're gonna cruise, you can do 87. But whoever did the tuning before, they got the timing kind of high on it, like for 93, honestly.
Gotcha.
But you can run 87 if you're gonna be cruising. But if one day you feel like you might be happy footed with it, I would probably do 93.
Okay. All right, well, man, I'm gonna get on them.
But if you do take it to one of the other guys, once you get everything situated, if you know for sure that all you want to run in is 87, they can tune it back down to 87 where you can still punch it and you ain't got to worry about that issue.
Gotcha. And you said both of them, I know what car is it, but
the other one is Hattiesburg.
Hattiesburg, okay.
Yeah, Justin Lee Jones.
Okay. I'm gonna do that then, man. I sure appreciate it, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna let cars tune that block.
Tune that block.
Yeah. The drivability got been tuned on it, but the guy wanna see how much power it put down.
Dang, that mug is, but
it should be around at least 500 to the wheel.
God dang. Woo.
I left out of here earlier. Was it today? It was yesterday. I left out of here, kind of got on and going all the way through first and second.
God. Man. You're a beast, man. Man, I so appreciate your work, man. I'm satisfied, man. And like I said, I'm gonna definitely do that first, and then I do this on the fuel pump side. Okay. And go from there. That's it. Okay. No, thank you, man. Hey, I'm gonna need the AC thing one day too. Okay. So you know, I don't know what to order, so I just have to.
Yeah, just let me know when you're ready, and I'll look up all the parts.
Okay, you just let me know what all I need.
Yeah, we need a bracket, AC compressor, longer belt. It's a guy in Florida that make the lines.
Okay.
The lines to go from the compressor to the accumulator and all that.
Okay.
After that, just have to charge it up.
Okay.
It's probably a wire in there. I gotta figure out where it's at, but it's one wire in there that hooks to the compressor, so whenever you cut it on, it's signal for the compressor to kick on.
Gotcha.
So I gotta find that one wire. It's in that bundle of factory wire.
Okay.
Yeah, we gotta take that. Let me know.
Okay. Appreciate you, man. I'll probably holler at you probably in the next month, or
Yeah.
that's fine. Or
yeah, definitely.
Okay, cool. Man, appreciate you again. All right. Yeah. I'll try to see if you sweat. Okay. You want me to lead you? Okay. All right, guys. So he did say I might need a damn fuel pump or something like that. Damn, he got the goddamn heat on it, bitch. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get this thing to the house, man, and we'll catch back up with y'all, man, once we do another little video. So y'all stay tuned to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Alright, homie. Like, comment, subscribe, man. We'll get back with y'all. Feel like I feel the power. But yeah, I got some odds and ends, but I'm a little hot right now. And we'll catch up with y'all, man, and talk to y'all about it. We gonna get right, Jack. Yes, sir. Yes. What Red to Real say? Yes, Thirsty. We gonna get right, man. Just a little odds and ends, man. I was gonna do the AC, but I said, you know what? I'm gonna give myself about 3 weeks, 3 to a month, and I come back, man, to do the AC. Right now, I was just trying to stay within my budget, man, and go from there. You know what I'm saying? So we'll get the AC done, sooner or later. So we can have that. But that black box Chevy, that motherfucker, right. Damn, that bitch right. Y'all comment down below. Let me know, man, what y'all think on the box Chevy, man. This one and the other one. Let me know what y'all think on the black box Chevy. I might well go ahead and put some 93 in this one. Y'all get it out the way.